we've got movement described through the evolution. So we start off with the genesis of novel concepts, custom emerging, eventually things become products, or we get convergence, and we've got then eventually things become commodity and accepted. So it's that combination of anchor, position, and movement which creates a map, which is what we've got here. So you've got basically the chain evolution. There's visibility in the chain. So it doesn't just have to be about technological things. So this is goes from the point of view starting at the top. We've got government. Government needs society. So societies don't need governments, but you can't have a government if you haven't got a society to govern. In order to govern, you've got to have legitimacy, and that requires a number of things of trust, but you've also got to have a space to operate over, which is where we get into sovereignty. We've got territorial sovereignty, we understand. Cultural, we're not too bad. Internal security, C&I, okay. Economic, that's poor. Political, poor. Digital, poor. Each of these operate over a theatre. So territorial, air, land, sea, and space. That's all sort of over here. Economic over a cyber supply chain. All of these, you need not only a theatre, but you need awareness of it. So territorial awareness, very good. We use maps, we use radars, whereas supply chain awareness and digital chain awareness is very poor, because we don't have those sorts of things. Now, what we can do is we can use this map to talk about where should we invest. We can talk about how this landscape is actually changing. So within the 20-odd people in the defense group, and this is one of many maps, we end up with a landscape, a consensus on what the space looks like. And then we can start talking about, okay, well, maybe an investment. What we want to do is we need to improve supply chain awareness, digital chain awareness. We need this over here, a bit more like territorial awareness. So this is an area which we need to invest in. The chain itself is actually quite well defined. It's just we're not aware what it is.